Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako si Carvey Erin Maige at ako ay isang 27 years old at ang inventor ng O-Reuse. So ang O-Reuse ay isang material na nagka-capture ng ultraviolet light at ikino-convert neto para maging renewable energy. Today, I'd like to share with you my story and journey, how I got here, the challenges I've faced, what motivates me to innovate for a more sustainable future. Pero bago ang lahat, i-share ko muna sa inyo ang aking background. So, I was born and raised here in the Philippines, and para sa akin, Philippines is a country blessed with abundant natural beauty but also sobrang vulnerable sa climate change. Growing up, I was always fascinated by science and how the natural world works. My curiosity often led me to ask questions that didn't have easy answers, of course. And this curiosity yung nag-guide sa akin na parang I should just take engineering in the future. Ako ay nag-aral sa Mapua University. And when I entered Mapua University to study electrical engineering, my passion for renewable energy began to grow. I realized that the energy crisis wasn't just a global issue, pero personal na rin siya. In the Philippines, power shortages and inefficiencies are part of daily life for many communities, especially sa mga rural areas. And simula nun, I knew that renewable energy could be the key to solving this problem. But I also knew that existing solutions had limitations. I still focused on solar energy because it's a resource that's all around us, na sobrang dali niyang kunin kasi nasa tabi-tabi lang natin. Even though it is a cloudy or rainy weather, there is still ultraviolet energy that reaches us. So bagong lahat, ano ba muna ang ultraviolet energy para sa maintindihan nyo ng mabuti? Ultraviolet energy is a type of radiant energy much like the light we see, but with a smaller wavelength and higher energy. So basically, parang lahat ng majority ng mga ilaw, meron niyang mga ultraviolet energy. Ang video na inyong nakikita ngayon ay sustainability. Sustainability, napaka-importante nito sa akin. Sustainability is at the heart of everything I do. In my home country, the effects of climate changes are very real. Typhoons, rising sea levels, and erratic weather patterns have all taken a toll in the Philippines. And I knew that if I wanted to contribute something meaningful to the world, it had to address these issues. Naniniwala naman ako na lahat tayo ay may responsibilidad to create solutions that not only work, but also respect the environment and its finite resources. Using upcycled crop waste to create O-Reuse was one way to make my invention more sustainable and to get more recognized. It gave farmers a new use for waste products, contributing to a parang circular economy where nothing is wasted and everything has value. In 2018, I decided to put my ideas to the test and submitted a project to the James Dyson Award, hoping to bring attention to a solar energy solution I had been working on. So nung pinasa ko siya, medyo kinabahan ako ng hindi naman todo, pero syempre kinabahan ako kung matatanggap ba ito or hindi. But things didn't go as planned. Unfortunately, my project was rejected. Sobrang nakakalungkot para sa akin. It was very tough moment for me. But instead of letting that discourage me, I decided to use the feedback to improve my work. I didn't let it go through me and hindi na rin ako mag-give up. Failures, I realized, are not the end of the road. There will always be failures in our life, and we should learn how to make these failures improve our life better. They are lessons that point you in a new direction. So, I went back to the drawing board and started thinking more deeply about the limitations of traditional solar energy systems. Solar panels work well in areas without abundant sunlight, but what about those urban areas where buildings block the sun? What about cloudy or rainy days? I needed to think beyond what existed and find a way to harness energy in all environments. And these questions are basically my guide to creating an innovation that would help in the sustainability and also to preserve energy. One day, I was struck by a simple but yet powerful idea. Nature has its own way of capturing and converting energy. I was particularly fascinated by the northern lights or the aurora borealis, which convert high energy particles into visible light. I started wondering if the same principles could be applied to solar energy, specifically ultraviolet light or the UV light, which is present even on cloudy days. This idea led to the development of Aureus. So, hindi ko pa nasasabi sa inyo yung meaning ng Aureus, pero ang meaning nito ay Aurora, Renewable Energy, and UV Sequestration. The beauty of this system is that it captures UV light, a type of energy that exists even when sunlight is blocked. As I mentioned earlier, even though if it's cloudy or rainy, meron pa rin tayong nakukuhang UV light. Aureus does this through a material made from upcycled crop waste. This means that not only are we generating renewable energy, but we're also helping to reduce agricultural waste, making it a double win for sustainability. In 2020, I submitted Aureus to the James Dyson Award again, and this time, I had the same feeling, but I had more hope that it would be accepted and I would win. And this time, I won the Sustainability Award. I was so very happy and it was a surreal moment for me. One of validation, with pride, and hope. The award brought attention to my innovation being more recognized to the public. But more importantly, it opened up conversations about sustainability and renewable energies in ways I hadn't imagined. People started recognizing that solar energy could go beyond just solar panels on rooftops. By embedding Aureus into windows, walls, and even fabrics actually, we could generate electricity in places where traditional solar panels are not feasible. So makakatulong talaga siya sa mga lugar na may nagagather na UV light. This is particularly impactful for urban environments where parang space is limited but energy demand is high. Pero para sa akin, winning the Dyson Award was just the beginning of my journey. I know that it will still improve in the future, and my goal now is to continue improving Aureus and scaling it for a widespread use. I envision a future where our cities are not just concrete jungles, but living, breathing systems that generate their own energy through sustainable means. Imagine parang a world where the walls of skyscrapers and the windows of our homes are all contributing to energy production. Hindi ba sobrang ganda lang niya isipin na lahat tayo ay tumutulong sa sustainability? This is the world I want to help create. But I know that this vision cannot be achieved by one person alone. It requires collaboration, innovation, and a collective desire to make a difference. This is why I'm committed to sharing my journey, not just to inspire others, but to invite more minds into this global mission so we could boost the sustainability in our environment. If there's one lesson I've learned on this journey, it's that innovation comes from embracing challenges and not avoiding them. Every setback I've faced has been an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to push boundaries. I hope my story shows that even if the path is uncertain, persistence and creativity can lead to incredible breakthroughs. And I think that's pretty much how my story went. I am honored to be part of a generation that is working toward a better and more sustainable future. And I hope that in some small way, Aureus can contribute to solving the energy challenge of our time. I know that my innovation is kind of leaning towards helping to make a better sustainable environment, and I really hope that it helps in our society. Thank you for listening to my story. Again, I am Carvey Erin Maige.